Today, I'm going to cook chowmein, chicken, and fried liver. Let's go! This is my chowmein. So this is what I'm going to use today, the Iman chowmein. As you guys can see. I have my chowmein boiling here. I add some salt and some oil into it. It prevents the chowmein from sticking. As you can see here. I have here thick leaf thyme. I have some basil. I have some thyme. I have some scallion, garlic, onion. Over here, I have some green peas, some corn, some sweet pepper, some green beans. So this will be added into my chowmein. Okay, as you can see, I have my chicken here, seasoned up with green seasoning, garlic, pepper, and salt to taste, and also some scallion. So I'll get this into the oil to fry. As you can see, I have all the vegetables in here. Corn, sweet pepper, green beans, chicken, everything coming together. And it looks good, guys. Yummy. Delicious. Chowmein is finished. Look at this. Look at this chowmein here. So delicious. So yummy. Ready to taste. As you can see, I have my liver here, which already washed. Very clean. I will steam my liver. I have some boiling water here, which I will put into here for it to steam while I'm steaming my liver first before I cook it, because where we are, we don't have fresh liver. So you know everything is frozen. So before I cook it, I like to steam it. It tastes better. You can see I have onion, garlic, pepper, frying here to cook the chicken liver. I'm going to toss this into it. Chicken liver is coming very nicely. The pepper is very spicy. Ghost pepper, guys. Ghost pepper.
at this fried liver. I add some Guyana cash into it to give it a nice light brownish color. And look at the color here. This is the way I like my liver. Fry nice. That's it, guys. I like the taste. Mm. Mm. This is the liver, guys. Look at the liver. It's hot. Mm. Bye. Take care.